Welcome back everybody, HBCraft here, and this is Age of Engineering. We are on episode 5, and today I am hunting some squids, trying to get their sweet ink sacs from them, because I'm going to be doing a bit of building later on. I think I'll just stick a roof on this, because I'm sick of spiders coming in and killing me, while I'm trying to use my machines in peace. So we got a few ink sacs here. I'm just going to grab a few more. I'm looking at making this coloured block crafter here, so we can get ourselves a nice colour for the ceiling on the inside. It's going to require some cactus green as well, so I'll have to go find a desert, see if I can get some cacti. But yeah, let's just grab some more ink here. Thank you very much. Thank you. So, I'm vegetarian in real life, and I was wondering whether maybe one day I should do some kind of like vegan or vegetarian playthrough. Try and get through the game without using any animal products, but I think that'd be pretty difficult. Okay, so we got... I'm gonna say that's enough ink sacs for me for now. Yeah, so I'm gonna go wander off and find a desert. Looks like we found a village up ahead. Let's go check it out, shall we? Sorry. Thank you. Sorry. Thank you. Okay, what do you have to offer, tiny village? Nice little gold villages? Who are you? Okay. Bee people. Interesting. Anything of worth to me here? Is there a blacksmith? Okay. I know. I'll take you. There's a pink house. Might be of interest. What is this about? Oh, okay, yeah, is this forestry? Okay. Is there a blacksmith? Blacksmiths. Okay. Shovel, black quartz, iron. I will take that helmet just for the hell of it. Yeah, not as exciting as I would have thought. Well, I decided to come home. I had a bit of a roam around, couldn't find any cactuses or any desert biomes, so I'll have another go of that later, I think. I just wanted to get back and started on some more machines, actually, seeing as we're making pretty good progress here with the ages. So, what was our next step here? I think it was to, let's see, I think we want to kind of work towards the, because we've got the calculator now, so I think we want to work towards the, what's it called now, atomic... There we go, atomic reconstructor. So let's see what we need here. It's the enriched gold. Aha, okay, so yes, we need power for our calculator. That would be a good place to start. So I'm thinking we will use the survival generator. I've used these a lot before. They're very efficient in terms of the amount of RF you get out of what you put in, but not so much so in terms of RF per tick. I think they're capped at like 5, possibly? 5 RF per tick or something. But yeah, I mean, you can just stick like a sapling in there and it'll keep going for fill up to like a couple of thousand RF or something. So yeah, we will have a go at that. So what do we need? Cobblestone, steel, mechanical component, easy. Furnace, redstone, easy. Okay, let's get this together. So we've got 3 steel there, we've got plenty more in here actually. So, or do we? Do we? Yes. What was it? 4 steel, 1 copper. So let's get a steel component made there. One of those. Cobblestone. Cobblestone. Redstone. And it was a furnace, wasn't it? So we just need a bit. I'm just going to grab a stack of that just to be... Okay, so furnace. I think the furnace was there. These 2 like that. Component in the middle, and then I think it was just cobblestone around the top. Yes. Okay, so let's pop this down. I'm gonna maybe keep that as a what's it called again? Industrial craft. I'm gonna keep this as an industrial craft area. I think we'll move our other machines over this side somewhere. Maybe just pop that here for now. So yeah, so this will generate a fairly decent amount of power, but not output much. So let's see, if we were to put, what have we got on us here? Nothing of use. Let's go grab some fuel for it. We can just put some wood in, I think. Why don't we just put a log in here and see what happens? I believe it's probably... Okay, let's see. Generates 15,000 at 5. Yeah, okay, so this is going to burn up and create quite a lot of energy here. I'm thinking we build a power cell, I think it's called. Power cell? No, it's not called a power cell. Power cube. Yes, that's the one. Redstone block. Compressed coal ball. Cobblestone. What are these compressed coal ball? It's coal powder and flint. Okay. Seems doable. Do we have any coal lying around? This generator just eats up the coal, you see. Whenever I grab any, I run out immediately. Yeah, let me just go grab some coal. So we just need coal dust here, this crushed coal, to make these coal balls. I believe you can just put coal into the macerator here, wherever I put it. There it is. I believe so, yep. So we'll get 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll do 16 of these. Okay, and once we have those, we just take them and combine them with flint. So let's... excuse me. Flint. And coal dust. Guess there's 2 of those, and then we can just pop these in the compressor. Like so. And it should give us compressed coal balls. Then we can go ahead and make our power cube. So the last thing we need is just a redstone block. Oops. Okay. Oh, it's been channeled somewhere. Is it stuck in there? Yes, thank you. So, redstone block, compressed coal balls, and cobblestone. Power cube. Okay, I just wanted to fill this up so we've got some stuff to charge our calculator. Excellent. This is probably... looks like it's going to make, yeah, just the rest of the RF is going to get put in there. I believe it puts out 15, so we'll wait for that to fill up. In the meantime, we might as well charge our calculator. Wherever I did put that thing. There it is. Okay, pop that in there. And I'll just wait for this to fully charge. I think it takes about 1,000 RF maybe? Yes, cool. Okay. Yeah, now we can make our enriched gold in here, which I believe is just gold and redstone, possibly. Let's have a look. So it's the atomic reconstructor we're trying to make. So enriched gold in our calculator is going to be gold and redstone. Will get us 4 of those. Okay, and that's all we need really to make this. So reinforced iron ingot is iron and reinforced stone. Okay, we got plenty of those 2 things. Iron casing. Okay, this is where it gets a bit more confusing. So we've got black quartz, Advanced machine casing, iron. So what's the basic? Yeah, this is where it gets slightly confusing. So we need a standard basic machine casing. We need 4 steel plates, some advanced alloy, and carbon plate. Let's see, advanced alloy. Mixed metal. This is quite confusing. Okay, let me get all this stuff together, and I'll be back with you in a second. So the first step would be to make the mixed ingots here, which I can't remember which way around they are, so I'll just check. Oops, wrong one. So to make these advanced alloys, you need a mixed metal ingot. So it's iron, bronze, and tin. 2 of those we need. And then these mixed iron ingots just go inside the compressor, wherever that is. Over here, yep. And we have the advanced alloy there. Okay, and then we just need to make the carbon something or other. Carbon plate, here we go, which is just a couple of the carbon dust that we made earlier. Put the 2 of those together and put them in the compressor. So to make these carbon parts here, we just combine some of this coal dust. Gives us this raw carbon fiber. We stick 2 of those together, gives us raw carbon mesh. The raw carbon mesh then goes into the compressor here, and this should give us some carbon plates. So what else do we need just to finish this off? We needed advanced alloy, steel plates, and the carbon plate. So it's just a couple of steel plates I need, and we've got plenty of steel. So we will put 4 of those in there. And how are these doing here? Oh, they are being pulled out through here. We don't want that to happen. Okay, got 2 of those. And we'll start to get this ready while we wait for the steel plates to do. So, there'll be steel plates in the corner. 2 of those. Those there. Okay, 4 of those, and then we just need a basic case here, I think. Yep, basic machine casing, which is just a load of iron. So basic machine casing goes in there, and that gives us this advanced machine casing. Pop that in the middle, and then we can have black quartz around the side and iron here. Gives us the iron casing, and then what was it? Just the enriched gold, I think, that I needed to work on. Yep. So what was that again? That was gold and redstone. So let's do that. Calculator. Not used this yet, so interesting. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh yeah, we only need 4 of these, don't we? So let's hang on to that for now. So 4 of those, and this reinforced iron, which is reinforced stone and iron. We've got both of those. Oh, actually, I've got the hardened stone. So how do we get the reinforced stone here? Reinforced stone is cobblestone and wood. Okay, can do that. Let's get some wood. Got some wood out here. Hopefully I'm not going to get killed. Nope, he seems to be stuck down there, so 1, 2, 3. Close that again. Okay, so we need some cobblestone. 2 of those. And 2 of the... Oh, actually the logs get us 4, don't we? I don't think we need 4, so I wonder if we put the planks in here instead. Yeah, there we go. So we don't have any extra waste. So, and then it's reinforced and iron. 2 2 of those. We actually need 4 of those, don't we? Yeah, my mistake. So we could have just used the logs there. Oh well. Uh-huh. 2 of those. Okay, and I think we've got everything now, so let's try this out. We didn't get that last ingot out of there. Okay, let's try this out. So, iron across there, iron casing, and finally the enriched gold. Perfect. Atomic reconstructor. So let's go and put this over here. I'm gonna get a redstone torch ready. That's how you trigger this thing. And it takes quite a lot of power when it pulses, so I don't want it using up any extra power, seeing as we don't have that much at the minute. So let's make ourselves a redstone torch. Okay, let's just pop that next to this for now. In fact, is there any power in there? There isn't. Okay, so it doesn't matter. We don't need to worry about that. So you use a redstone torch like this. It's backwards, so I know it says redstone mode deactivation, but that's kind of, if you click on it, it will go to deactivation. So it's currently on now. Click it again, and that'll stop it from pulsing. You can then just put maybe, why don't we just make a little button. Sticking a button on the side here means that rather than just have it pulse, because usually what this thing will do is just chuck out a pulse every second or so. We can keep it off, and then just whenever we need the pulse, we just click this and it'll pulse once, and that'll allow us to control it a bit better, I think. I'm also going to move this power cube over. Will we lose the power in it? I mean, I guess we only used a log, so it's not. Yeah, we keep the power. Okay, I'm just going to move that away so it doesn't pull all the power out of there constantly. Yeah, but with this we can make certain things that allow us to move on to progressive automation. We can make some upgrades, which will in turn allow us to create the empowerer, which will open up a whole load of other things for us. So let's just run a load of redstone and iron, maybe? Let's see, I think iron turns into the little star crystals, whatever they're called, Enori crystals. Let's pop some fuel in here. In fact, I think we'll need a bit more, won't we? Well, we'll see how it goes. So let's pop these. Oh, that's steel. We don't want that to happen. So let's drop these redstone here. It's currently, let's wait until it gets 2,000. Okay, so let's try. How many of those did it do? Did half the stack. Okay. That's about 2,000 RF there. I think it's about 1,000 just for the pulse itself, and then it's however many RF it takes to do each one. I'm not sure how much that is. But yeah, so we can finish this stack off now if we do that. Interesting. Just 2. Close. Oh, I guess we've got to wait till it gets to 1,000. Okay, just finish that stack off. So these will allow us to do some upgrades for the chopper, the automatic choppers that we have outside. Yep, these are progressive automation. So let's see, progressive. Yeah, these upgrades here, they all require these little crystals that we've just made. So that will open up some better automation for us here. So we will do that in a bit. So what is next for us? Let's stick a couple of these iron ingots in here, I think. Yeah, we'll do the whole stack, why not? Yep, and we get these Enori crystals, there we go, cool. Okay, why don't we work on just automating a few things a bit better? I'm thinking of starting with the chopper that we have outside. So we'll build some upgrades for this. I think first thing we'll do though is upgrade our machine. I'm just going to kill this zombie. Why are you in that block? Interesting. Okay. I think the first thing we will do is try and upgrade this chopper here. Pretty simple. I think it just needs a diamond axe. I believe you can use Tinker's tools in these choppers, so we will try that. Sorry, what did I need? I needed diamonds, yes. One of those. Just need some sticks. We've got one stick. Okay. Let's make some more sticks. Okay, so we will make the axe here. One axe. And upgrade that. Okay, so we've got an upgraded chopper here. Next we'll work on making these upgrades. So I believe you have to use the upgrade for your tier of machine here. So we'll have to make a diamond one. We'll just work our way up these. So wooden one, just logs and one of those crystals. Then can we use cobblestone? No, does it have to be stone? Oh, we can use granite. Yeah, we've got loads of other kinds of stone here, so we will grab some granite. Put that around there. No? Not really feeling that? Oh, sorry, one. Yeah, of course, you have to use the previous tier. Okay. And iron. And diamond. Yes. Okay, let's see what this does. I have used progressive automation before. A little bit. Not too much though, so I'm just gonna try something out. I'm pretty sure that these upgrades just upgrade it by one block. So if you imagine the chopper is in the middle here. And it's currently doing just this one block here. I think the upgrades work in a square, but by one block. So you add one upgrade, it goes here, one upgrade goes there, one upgrade goes there. And then once it's full of that, it moves out a square like this, I think. But there's a bit of wishful thinking happening here where I think that maybe it might do the whole square, but yeah, we'll see. So range is currently 1. Put that in there, we've got range 2, so let's see what's going to happen here if we get this one going again. We'll need some fuel. Let's just pop that in there. Okay, is it going to do the corners here? Should we try that? Not that one. Okay, yeah, so it's just doing it one block at a time. So we'd have to make quite a few to get a couple of these going. I might do that though. I think it might be worth it to get us a steady supply of wood. And if we can put a tinker's axe in here, that would help massively. So yeah, let me just get a couple of the things I need to make that happen, and we'll try fill up this square here. Let's add these final upgrades in here. And there we go, we've got a full circle around here. That should speed things up a little bit. I think next I'll just make myself a decent axe from Tinker's to go in here. We got loads of cobalt from the nether, so I'm thinking I will make a few tools for myself here. Why don't we start with a shovel and then we will finish off the rest. So let's see. Shovel head cast here. We should have some more cobalt powder, yep. We will pop that in here, let it smelt down for a little bit, and then we will pop our shovel head cast in here. Gonna make the binding out of paper again, I think. I've got plenty of the sugar canes now, so there you are. And I believe it was 4 pieces of paper per binding, so we will make a couple of these for our tools. In fact, let's make them all. Yeah. Okay, well let's make our binding while we wait for the cobalt to smelt down. Wooden binding. We will make a tool rod out of wood, I think. Okay. And then... in fact, we don't even need a binding for the shovel, do we? I don't think so. It's kind of an autopilot then. Oh yeah, we do, yeah. Okay, we've got a couple of ingots in there. Let's move that to the bottom. And then we will combine the 3 of these in here. And we have a fancy shovel now. Okay. Yeah, I'll upgrade this with a bit of redstone here just to spice it up a little bit. Let's pop that in there and we'll grab some redstone. I think I've got loads. Yeah, I've got loads of it. We might as well. Okay, so we'll just speed that up a little bit. I'll go away and do axe and upgrade the pickaxe, and I'll be back with you in a second. Okay, I'm done with my tools here. We've got a shovel, a pickaxe, and a hatchet here. So I've just upgraded these a little bit as well. We've got luck 3 on the pickaxe now. It's gone from mining speed of about 16 up to 20, almost 23 now. Fortune 3, way more durability. And I've done the same on the hatchet here, so it's got quite a lot of durability and it's quite quick. So we'll go stick this in the chopper over here and see whether that actually works. If not, we've just got a decent axe anyway. Yeah, works in there. Cool. I'm going to assume when it breaks, does it just carry on? Yeah, I don't think it won't break for a while because it's got quite a lot of durability, but I'm going to assume when it breaks it'll just carry on, but it'll take a lot longer. Yeah, we'll come check up on that in the future. Yeah, so I think that'll do for today's episode. I think we've done pretty well, got some tools, made some machines. I've had fun. I hope you have. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next episode.